The sun is shining, the foliage gleams in shades of yellow, red and orange. Right in the middle, the Mini John Cooper Works is in the exterior colour ocean wave green, a picturesque scene, typical of the Great Smoky Mountains, on the border between the US states of North Carolina and Tennessee. If it weren't for the tail of the dragon, the US 129 is the most dangerous road in the USA, 17.7 kilometres long, with 318 bends. Every single one is a challenge for both man and machine. The tail of the dragon repeatedly reveals its relentless side, effortlessly shaking off overconfident drivers. At the Tree of Shame, located at the start of this perilous stretch of tarmac in the Deals Gap car park, hang the relics of mobile overestimation: bodywork parts, mirrors, wheel trims, and motorcycle fuel tanks. A challenge perfectly suited for the Mini John Cooper Works and its motorsport DNA, which is embodied in the legendary go-kart feeling. This is also emphasized by the high-performance model's parameters, designed for uncompromising agility. Weighing 1,330 kilograms, the Mini JCW combines firm body control with noticeable lightness. The direct steering, responsive brake pedal feel, balanced axle load distribution with short overhangs, and low center of gravity form a dynamic unit, which reveals its full potential in demanding bends. Thus, this dangerous stretch of tarmac becomes a place of concentrated, maximum driving pleasure. The powerful four-cylinder twin-power turbo petrol engine, with 2 litres of displacement, delivers 170 kilowatts/231 brake horsepower and a maximum torque of 380 newton-meters. The Mini John Cooper Works accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.1 seconds. 18-inch wheels in the JCW lap spoke, two-tone design with sports tyres, ensure maximum traction even in challenging driving situations. The frequency-selective dampers with a special JCW application harmoniously resolve the demanding conflict between dynamics and comfort. The sports braking system, with 17-inch brake discs at the front and 16-inch discs at the rear, provides reliable deceleration when approaching corners. The camber angle at the front axle is increased by 30 arc minutes, 0 degrees 30 minutes, compared to the Mini Cooper C and Mini Cooper S, allowing for higher cornering speeds. Fast gear changes of the dual-clutch sport automatic transmission enable clean acceleration out of tight bends. In the Mini John Cooper Works models, this is further refined by the manual use of the 2 shift paddles. JCW sport seats guarantee secure lateral support even on demanding road sections. Thanks to the exclusive John Cooper Works driving mode with live displays of torque, G-forces and current engine output, drivers always have all relevant data at a glance. The clearly designed cockpit is structured by the JCW Sport steering wheel, the high-resolution OLED display, and the Mini-typical toggle switch strip. The central instrument, with a premium glass surface and a diameter of 240 millimeters, continuously displays all relevant vehicle data and can be conveniently operated by both the driver and the front passenger. The interior also exudes sportiness in every fibre. The knitted surface of the dashboard, with its black and red pattern, recalls the motorsport heritage of the Mini John Cooper Works. The standard Harman Kardon sound system further intensifies the driving experience. The exterior emphasizes the sporting ambitions of the Mini John Cooper Works. The ocean wave green paintwork, paired with the black roof and black mirror caps, makes the Mini a head-turner in any environment. The John Cooper Works body kit, with aerodynamically optimized components such as the front splitter, rear spoiler and rear diffuser, not only gives the Mini John Cooper Works a dynamic appearance, but also generates downforce and further enhances driving dynamics. Mini LED headlights with horizontal JCW-specific daytime running lights ensure a distinctive presence. The rear view is characterized by the aerodynamically shaped rear spoiler and the black rear diffuser. The centrally positioned tailpipe further emphasizes the character of this agile powerhouse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice, and reviews.